Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get the Amazon Prime student offer. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon official website. Once the website opens, look at the top of the page and click on the search bar. In the search bar, type Prime and then press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results appear, look at the top of the page and click on the Amazon Prime option. This will open the Amazon Prime page. Here, look for the option that says, "Are you 18 to 24 years old or a student?" You can usually find this section on the page. Once you see it, click on it to continue. After that, you will be taken to the verification page. Amazon will ask you to confirm that you are a student or eligible for the offer. The easiest method is to enter your university or college email address. If you do not have a university email address, you can use other verification methods provided by Amazon. For example, you may be able to submit documents such as your student ID card, proof of enrollment, or other documents that show you are currently studying. Once you have provided the required information, submit it and wait for Amazon to review your details. After your information is approved, you will gain access to the Amazon Prime student offer and receive the discounts and benefits listed on the page. Thanks for watching.